6 most fat-burning exercises. The fat that is accumulated around the abdominal organs is known as belly fat, and having too much of it has been related to high blood pressure, high cholesterol, heart disease, diabetes, and stroke. It's normal to witness an increase in belly fat accumulation around the waist as people age. This is typically due to the fact that when fat grows with age, muscle mass diminishes. There are some health risks linked to excess belly fat, as discussed in the video earlier. It is a good idea to strive to control your belly fat because of these concerns. You can use methods like running for 25 minutes a day and eating a balanced diet to lose abdominal fat in just 1 week. The body will burn fat more readily on a diet low in calories, fats, and carbohydrates. In addition to helping to tone and improve the appearance of the abdomen, abdominal workouts are also advised for those looking to shed belly fat quickly. Exercises that burn the most calories quickly, such as aerobic activities, are the most effective for burning fat. Here are a few instances. 1. Running. Running is an aerobic exercise that burns abdominal fat and helps people lose weight. It increases your physical stamina and cardiorespiratory endurance, while simultaneously using many muscles and requiring muscle resistance. Your metabolism will increase as a result of all of this, triggering fat burning. Interval training, which should be done at a high intensity, is one technique to accelerate weight loss and the burning of abdominal fat. To further boost metabolism, this involves switching between times of activity and relaxation. Passive or active rest is possible. To prevent injuries and guarantee that the exercise is being done at a high level of intensity, it is crucial that this kind of training be overseen by a personal trainer. 2. Aerobic classes. Since aerobic programs are typically performed at a high intensity, they are also effective options for eliminating belly fat. Examples of these classes are Zumba, step class, and combat. Furthermore, aerobic lessons are typically conducted in groups, which is beneficial as it allows participants to support one another in completing the exercise correctly. 3. Jumping rope. Jump rope is regarded as a full-body workout because it strengthens the respiratory and cardiovascular systems in addition to stimulating the muscles. This will increase metabolism, facilitating the burning of fat and calories. All things considered, jumping rope offers several health advantages. 4. Cycling. Because it increases muscle mass and strengthens resistance and strength, cycling is another excellent method for encouraging weight loss and burning abdominal fat. It uses a lot of muscles to function, and the more muscles that are used, the more fat the body may burn. 5. Speed walking. Walking can increase metabolism and encourage weight loss and fat burning when done consistently and quickly. However, you must regularly walk at a high pace for at least 30 minutes in order for this to be feasible. It's crucial that you combine this physical exercise with a healthy diet. 6. Swimming. Swimming is another great workout that you can do to lose weight because it tones your muscles and enhances your physical state, both of which speed up the burning of fat. Typical blunders include overdoing cardio, neglecting nutrition, concentrating just on belly exercises, and not getting enough sleep. A balanced strategy that incorporates various forms of exercise, a healthy diet, and enough sleep is crucial. It could be time to reconsider your strategy if you're not making progress even when you're doing the best fat-burning routine. Exercise intensity may need to be increased, dietary adjustments may need to be made, and other lifestyle issues, such as stress and sleep, may need to be taken care of. A dietitian or fitness expert consultation may also be beneficial. Hope this video helped. Thanks for watching.